Hello, today is a very simple quick tip. Sometimes you need to do a turn, but you don't have space. Okay, we have a lot of space here, but sometimes you don't. So what I do is hold down the left handlebar, left grip of the handlebar, and pull from here and like this. So you can make a very narrow turn standing up, not using much effort, because you do it like this and it's so easy. And I don't know if it's gonna be useful for you, but I use it a lot because it's easy, and you know, like I want to change directions. Hope you did like it. So the thing is like this, just press down, put the weight on top of the front wheel and do the turn. Quite simple, quite easy. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I'm speaking and lower because I'm kind of shy. I know. I'm not shy for the camera, but for going out with a lot of people I am. So I hope you did like it. Bye-bye.